Yeah. And where you based at?
Chesterfield.
Yourself?
3471 Parker.
Yeah.
Is it Chesterfield as well?
Okay, so with the council, with your local council, because I've checked already,
Yeah.
it's operating with a C1 licence.
Yeah.
Okay, now when it got planning permission, they've done it with a C1 licence.
Okay.
Yeah. Now,
Can you identify yourself as well for the recording?
Pardon?
Can you identify yourself for the recording, please?
Not at this precise moment.
Okay.
Yeah, I may do it at a later time.
Right.
Yeah, we'll see about that. It's operating with a C1 licence. Now, with that, under a C1 licence, I'm allowed to enter into publicly accessible areas until I'm asked to leave.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
All right, folks, buckle up. Today's footage starts fast. No build-up, no warm-up, just straight into confrontation. A self-proclaimed investigator walks into what he claims is a publicly licensed hotel, demanding access. Security says otherwise. Within seconds, it's a clash of rights, rules, and tempers. The tension, off the charts. Stay with me, because this one spirals from calm reasoning to legal brinkmanship in record time.
Good, thanks, buddy.
Can you leave
I've come to book a room.
You're not allowed to.
What's that, mate?
Can you leave the property? You're not allowed.
Can I get some water?
Closed. Outside.
Can I get some water?
Outside. Come on.
Can I get some water, please?
Outside. Come on.
Can I get some water, please?
You can't, I'm afraid.
Why?
Outside.
Just to get me a cup of water or something.
Closed, please. Come on.
What's that, buddy?
Gareth.
I've checked online. Yeah.
Gareth, come in. You're not allowed.
Mate,
That
don't
one,
touch
please.
me, yeah?
I'm not touching
Yeah,
anything.
okay, don't touch me.
Outside.
I've checked online
Yes.
and it says it's a hotel.
No, it's closed.
And I've checked with the council.
Open that door for me.
I've checked with the council.
Yep.
Yeah.
It's closed, I'm afraid. Come on.
Okay. I've
It's
checked
closed.
with. Let me talk.
Okay.
Yeah. Stand back. Yeah. Listen. Distance. Yeah.
Come on.
No need to escalate this. Yeah.
No.
We're three big fellas. We don't want to start rolling around. Yeah.
No.
It's not going to end well for two of us, is it? Do you know what I mean? Listen. I've checked online with the council. It operates with a C1 licence. Yeah. Now, with a C1 licence, it states in law that I'm allowed to access into publicly accessible areas. Yeah. That's what it says in law. Yeah. At this, now publicly accessible areas is through this door, to reception, up to that door, not that. I don't know if that way. Yeah, but I wouldn't take the chance. Do you know what I mean? Because then I know that I could be in trouble. Do you know what I mean? Now all I do is I go up and down the country. I film migrant hotels. I exercise my lawful activity. And you know, 1 week you come England.
Yes.
And then today you come here.
Yes.
So where was you for 1 week?
In hotel.
In hotel?
Yes.
Where? Do you know where?
Yes.
You know where it was?
I don't speak English.
No.
Yes.
How did you come? Did you come on aeroplane? Or did you come on water?
No, in
Water?
yes.
On big boat?
Yes.
I bet very scary.
Yes.
Yeah, very scary, yes.
Yes.
How many people was on the boat?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Big boat, small boat, big boat?
Small.
Small boat?
Yes.
Oh. Any women, children, ladies?
No.
No ladies?
No.
No children?
No.
No, on your boat, just man?
Yes. Just no.
How much money you pay? How much?
I don't know. I don't know how much money.
You must know how much money you give?
I don't know how much money.
No? Who did you give the money to?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
So why did you come to England?
1 week when
No, why? Why you come England?
Because war in Afghanistan.
Because war?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because war in Afghanistan.
And where is your family is still there or?
Yes.
Yes? Wife?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I'm single.
No. Single?
Yes.
Okay. But your mum and dad is still there?
In Afghanistan, mom and family in Afghanistan.
So why you not stay in France? Why you not stay in Calais?
I like England.
Here's where everything pauses, and honestly, it's powerful. We shift from tension to humanity. The man meets an asylum seeker, fresh off a perilous journey from Afghanistan through the Channel by small boat. Suddenly, the debate over property rights feels small compared to this story of survival. Fear, hope, displacement, all in one awkward, halting conversation. Whatever your stance on immigration, it's moments like this that show the real faces behind the headlines. Question for you. Did this soften your view of the man filming, or does it feel like exploitation?
I see you're the cleaner.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm the hotel investigator.
Okay.
Yeah, nice to meet you. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You've been cleaning for long, or
Yeah.
how long have you had this job?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You're not resident in hotel, are you?
No, I'm not living here.
You're not living here. You're living in this area, though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Did they not tell you I was coming today?
No, I think I saw something like that on our
Oh.
platform.
Oh, okay. Because I'm the hotel investigator, you see, and I'm here, the hotel investigator.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm here to look at the hotel, look outside. You've been here for 3 months.
Yeah.
You work every day, or
Not every day.
how many days are you working?
Sometimes 3 times.
Sometimes 3 times.
Yes.
Yeah.
It depends on the house because I'm
Yeah.
a student.
You're a student. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Wait, what do you study?
Sheffield Alum.
Pardon?
Sheffield Alum University.
You study now? What?
My course,
Yeah.
fashion design.
Fashion design. Oh, okay, okay. Where are you from, if you don't mind me asking?
Nigeria.
Nigeria, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I have to take something from.
Yeah, no, listen, you carry on with your job, yeah? If I disturb you anymore, then you're going to be running late. Is this the storeroom where they keep all the stuff?
No, it's not actually the store. Although we are storing some.
Going, yeah? I was going.
You going now,
I
yeah?
was going,
Oh,
yeah.
fine.
I just see you there talking to him.
Yeah.
Just talking to a couple of the neighbours.
Yeah.
I see you talking to him and I thought, you know what, let me go back, you know, because
have a chat.
you just never know what they've...
Yeah, no, they just said that you've been looking around and
yeah.
that's fine. If you're going now, it's no
Yeah.
worries, is it? Fine.
So that's it.
Yeah, can I just take your details? Is that okay?
What for?
Just to say who you are, why you're looking around.
Have you got a designation card on you? No?
Don't get given them.
Oh, well, you can't have my detail. With no designation card, you can't have my details.
Okay.
Your
Well,
designation card would tell you the powers, yeah, that you're entitled to.
Yeah.
And I don't believe that you're entitled to my details as a
No.
PCSO.
So,
If you want to get the police down here,
yeah,
and they
they're
can ask
on the way
me.
anyway, yeah, that's fine.
Are they? Oh,
Yeah.
right, really?
Yeah, my colleagues are on the way.
What, so shall I wait for them then?
Yes, well, shouldn't be too long. So,
Then what, are you detaining me here?
no.
No?
You're welcome to leave, but
So why are your colleagues coming down if I'm already left?
we've all been asked to come down.
Have you?
Yeah, obviously we've been asked to come down.
Ask them
before.
how long they're going to be, because I've got to go. I'm a busy man, you see.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You have much plans?
Yeah, I've got another hotel to visit. Yeah. Oh, he's here, look. There he is. Buddy, just tell the truth, yeah? That's all I ask, you know. You right, gentlemen?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, I'm all right.
Yeah, I won't speak to you off the premises, pal.
What's that, buddy?
Can I speak to you off the premises because it's private land?
Okay,
You alright?
I'm all right. I want you to be very careful, though.
What of?
Yeah? Section 26.
And here we go. Law enforcement enters the scene. The lead officer's calm but firm, invoking his authority under the Criminal Justice and Public Order Act to keep the peace. Notice how he says, "Come off private land." It's a procedural opener, not a threat. They're feeling him out. The officer knows this isn't about crime yet, it's about control. The challenge. He's dealing with a man who knows his legal boundaries almost too well. This is where good policing meets ego management. Would you handle this cool-headed or match that energy?
2015.
26 of which act?
2015.
Yeah, which act though?
Of the Police Criminal Act.
Just come
yeah?
and stand off at land then,
Yeah.
please.
You can't, yeah?
You're on private land, I'll just
I know, but
come and stand off it,
buddy,
please.
I want to de-escalate this, yeah?
I'm not
Before-
escalating nothing.
I know. You can't ask me to leave private land.
I can.
You
I
can't.
I can, because
It
you've
is
not got no
trespassing.
reason to be on it. Because
I am.
Because it could be classed as aggravated trespass.
It can't be.
couldn't it?
I need to be breaching the peace for that.
You don't?
I can get the legislation out if you want. Do you mind if I get in my bag and have a look, buddy?
No.
Yeah, can I have a look in my bag?
Of course you can.
Okay.
Nobody stop you doing anything.
Okay, no
so a couple
problem
of
then.
things. Obviously, we're concerned about why you're here, so that's why
Yeah.
we're here.
Okay.
So it's come to speak to you and find out why you're here, what you
Yeah.
want, what your aim is to achieve, and things like that.
Well, my aim is not to meet people like you, to be honest with you.
All right,
Yeah, I'd rather meet...
What do you mean, police officers?
No, I'd rather meet police officers with a good attitude, to be honest with you, rather than just coming straight over to me and saying to me, you're on private land, yeah, you need to get off.
I said,
No,
could
you
you
know.
leave? I said, could
You
you
know.
leave the land? I said.
Yeah, but...
I
you
said,
know,
could you leave the land?
you
That's
know.
all I said to you. We're here to maintain the king's peace, aren't we? Nobody's here to cause problems with you. We just want to speak to you and find out why you're here and what you're doing, how long you're going to be here and things like that.
Well, do you know what? I'm going to tell you about it. It's none of your business.
That's fine. That's fine. No
That's what I'm going to tell you. And I would have told you. If you would have come to me with a better approach, then I might have had a civil conversation with you. But all the time that you come to me and you talk to me like that, then I'm not going to have a civil conversation with you.
People will judge us by the video, won't they?
Yeah, they will do,
judge if I come to them too, not by the video.
Because the moment you come up to me, you're asking me to leave private property.
Could you step off the private land,
You did, buddy. We can play it back. It's not a problem. It's not an issue, buddy.
No, I didn't deny saying it.
It's not an issue, I can walk anywhere on
if
here.
you walk on there, you could be arrested for breach of the peace.
Could be.
You could be arrested for breach of the peace. That's my decision, not your colleague.
Yes, I know.
So you're saying you can, I said you could be arrested if you did.
Right. So what I want you to do is, we go through some legislation if you want.
All right, then.
We can go through it if you want. Because I do this every single day.
Yeah.
I make videos of asylum seeker hotels.
Okay.
Now.
So all we're here to, we can go through that, but all we're really here to ask is, what should
So if I want to walk on there, I can. I need to be committing antisocial behaviour.
Yeah.
There's nothing antisocial about my behaviour walking along a publicly accessible area. Can you identify yourself anyway, please?
Yes, 2738 Hines, H-I-N-D.
And where you based at?
Chesterfield.
Yourself?
3471 Parker, at Chesterfield as well.
Okay, so with the council, with your local council, because I've checked already, it's operating with a C1 licence. Okay, now when it got planning permission, they've done it with a C1 licence. Now,
can you identify yourself as well for the recording?
Pardon?
Can you identify yourself for the recording, please?
Not at this precise moment. I may do it at a later time.
Right.
We'll see about that. It's operating with a C1 licence. Now, with that, under a C1 licence, I'm allowed to enter into publicly accessible areas until I'm asked to leave. Right? Okay. I leave the publicly accessible area inside the building. You see outside of here? This is all.
They've already asked you to leave once already, haven't they? Because you've been inside the
building.
So they asked you to leave, didn't they?
And I left.
That's it then. So
and I'm
you're
outside.
saying that you can. So you can't go back in because you've already been asked to leave. Is that correct?
What, inside that building?
Yeah. And you've been asked to leave, haven't you?
I've been asked to leave. Yes, I won't be going back in the building. But I can stand outside there in the car park.
You can't.
I can.
You can't.
I can. I'll call your bluff if you want, Giz. You arrest me, and I'll put another civil claim in. I'll win it. I'll put another civil claim in, and I'll just get more money.
Okay.
And you're the one who's going to be up in front of the IOPC.
That's fine.
I'll just call your bluff.
I'm not particularly concerned about any investigation.
No, you're not, are you? That's the problem, you see. You're not too concerned about it, because it don't come out of your money, does it?
Listen, so let me say something. I will act in accordance with the laws.
Take him away.
Is what my honest belief will be at the interpretation of the law.
Not your belief of the laws.
I won't do
not belief of the laws.
I'll do what I believe at the time.
Listen.
This right here is the boiling point: authority versus assertion. The officer lays down what's called discretionary enforcement. He says he'll act on his interpretation of the law. That's a bold move because it shows confidence, but also danger. Misinterpret the wrong statute, and it's a civil claim waiting to happen. The man knows it too. You can hear it in his tone: cold, defiant, and armed with precedent. What's fascinating here isn't the shouting, it's the psychology. To people convinced they're right, locked in a battle of certainty.
Listen, if you believe it's correct, after I can show you legislation that it's not, then you're wrong.
So we're not here to argue about legislation at the moment?
No, because you can't, because you don't know it.
So, how long are you planning on staying here?
As long as I want, and none of your business.
Right. And what would you like to achieve ultimately?
None of your business.
Would you like anything from us?
None of your business. I'll tell you what I'd like from you. Get in your car, get out of here, and go and start catching some criminals, Giz. That's what I want you to do.
Well, we investigate potential criminal offences now. That's why we're here, aren't we?
Are you? Oh, what, really?
Potential criminal offences, aggravated trespass,
aggravated trespass, harassment,
things like that.
Okay.
So that's why we're here, to determine if offences have been committed, aren't we? So we are actually deployed specifically to the shop, so that's why we're here. So until we decide with you and speak to you and figure out what's happening, we can't leave, can we? So we could go and catch some real criminals, as you call it. If
you're attending a civil trespass matter, and now you're trying to turn it into aggravated, and now you're trying to turn it into harassment.
I haven't turned it into something.
You are. You know what I mean? You're trying to escalate it. You are. That's what you're trying to do. You're trying to escalate it.
Nobody's escalated nothing.
Your hands shouldn't be in your pockets anyway, by the way. When you're addressing a member of the public, you should be presentable, like him, hands behind the back. You see?
I can feel my bum quite hot with this sun as well.
Should we go in the shade?
Yeah.
You want to go in the shade?
You know, I'm standing on the car park of the premises.
Mate, I can do what I want, and you can't stop me.
I can stop you.
Mate, go and speak to your sergent.
No, I don't need to speak to my sergeant.
You do, buddy.
I
You do.
I don't.
Yeah, you do, buddy.
No, I'm quite confident in what I'm doing, and I'm not doing.
You ain't, mate. If you're confident in what you're doing, then you are seriously wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, and you are going to get found out, and you're going to go all over the internet. Yeah, your family will see it. Yeah, and you're going to be an embarrassment.
Yeah.
And you really want that for yourself?
I've been in the police for quite a long time, and I've had my face on the internet for quite a long time, for many years, and it causes me no problems in any way, shape, or form. What you do with the video, that's fine.
Okay, so when you illegally, use your powers against a, let me word this correctly, a British citizen journalist, who has rights in this country.
Are you a member of the Press Association? Do you have a journalist badge with you? Your Press Association badge with you?
I don't need to have a press badge.
You said you were a journalist.
I never said that. I said I'm a citizen journalist.
You said you were a journalist.
I said I'm a citizen journalist.
Well, the video again tells you.
Exactly, What did I say? Come on, buddy. I never said I'm a journalist.
Citizen journalist, you said.
British citizen journalist.
That's right.
There you
go.
go.
I said, have you got a Press
British citizen journalist. What's that, buddy? I'm a British citizen journalist. Citizen journalist.
Are you a member of the Press Association?
You don't need to be a member of the Press Association.
The answer would have been yes or no.
You don't need to be a citizen journalist. You don't need to be. Anybody can film anything they want from a public place.
They can, 100%.
Yes, I am filming matters of public interest. Yeah.
And what's the interest with this particular building then?
What do you reckon, buddy? The reason why you have come here, in this manner, is because it's asylum seeker job.
Is that we just come to see what
I don't know where you get him from with this attitude. Seriously, you have. You're trying to stop me. You're trying to stop me from doing my legal activities.
I told you not to do is to go on private land. That's something I've asked you not to do.
You cannot stop me, Giz.
I can.
You can't.
I will.
You can't.
You
can't. You cannot. Yeah. So if I walk on there, now, if I walk on there now, you're going to arrest me.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, so how will you stop me then? Because if you touch me, that's assault.
Yeah. Well, that's
legally, I'm allowed to do it. I'm advising you, I'm giving you advice, to speak with your sergeant quickly, because I'm going to walk over there in a minute.
But why do you need to
Because I'm going to prove a point.
What about Section 76 of the Criminal Justice Immigration Act? But honestly, I believe an offence doesn't need to be committed to use those powers, does it?
What, the Immigration Act?
Section 76, the criminal... That one. You don't need... Same with Section 3. You don't need to... commit an offence for us to use powers under Section 3
you need to produce. I can use Section 3. Anybody can. Yeah.
Breach of the peace, if you know it all.
I'm not
so
breaching
well.
the peace. A man with a camera in a car park cannot be breaching the peace. It's in case law, guys. It's there. It's written. Yeah. You need to. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah. Before you start going down all them roads, be careful. Yeah. But you don't care.
But you don't. Just to see what you're up to.
But you don't care. But you don't care because the money doesn't come from your money, does it?
We're just trying to do his job, fella.
No, you're not. Well, go and do your job then, Goose.
We are doing.
See you later then.
We've been sent here.
See you later.
We're not leaving.
See you later.
I'll leave if you want.
Nah, I'll stay here, buddy.
That's fine.
Gonna sit there now.
That's fine. Mate,
don't touch me, buddy.
I didn't touch you.
Mate, why are you doing this, Goose? Yeah? What's wrong with you, mate? Yeah. What's wrong with you, Goose?
Nothing at all. There's nothing wrong.
You got a right. I know. I've clocked it. I know what's wrong with you now. I clocked it, buddy. Yeah. Okay. It's the gang badge, isn't it? That's what it is, yeah.
No, it's a charity. Do you mean the thin blue line badge? It's a charity.
The one that's banned in London, yeah?
I don't work in London.
Yeah. I know. But one police force has already banned it, yeah?
Okay. It's not a gang.
Can I ask you how many, because it's for fallen comrades, yeah?
Yeah.
So how many fallen comrades has there been since you've been a police officer?
In what, nationally?
Yeah, like in the line of duty.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know? You wouldn't know it?
No, not without Googling it or something.
No. Have a quick Google.
Can't I'm doing my job.
And then have a look.
And
then have a look how many prisoners have died in your custody.
In my custody?
Yeah.
What do you mean while they're in police cells or while?
Well, you're all one big group, aren't you? Really, aren't you? Yeah.
Pardon? Do you mean in prison or in police custody?
In police custody.
No, I don't know.
A lot more. A lot more have died.
I've never been involved in something where somebody's died in my custody. I'm not aware of any recent ones in Derbyshire.
Is that what police force this is?
Derbyshire, yeah. Derbyshire,
I've got a civil claim against Derbyshire already.
No problem.
Yeah, brilliant. Yeah. I'm going to get another one, sir.
That's fine.
I know it's fine. You don't care. You don't come out your money, does it? You know?
I care about doing my job, that's all I'm
Go
trying
and
to
do your job then.
I'm doing my job.
Go on.
We've been deployed to this job, so here, my sergeant said, can you go to the job? So we did.
You need to check with your sergeant, before you start making these things. You do. You switch your camera on now, yeah?
No, it's on. It's been on since I got here.
So why didn't you tell me when you first come then?
Pardon?
Why didn't you tell me when you first arrived?
Well, the camera's on.
Yeah.
I didn't realise I had to.
You do. It's in your policy, isn't it?
It's not. No, it's not.
Is it not?
Make sure you pick your cigarette butt up, it's littering.
Yeah. You can give me a penalty if you want, buddy.
It's fine, but pick your cigarette butt up, it's littering.
Yeah, no problem. We'll go and put it in the bin in a minute. Where is the bin? It's over there.
You can't go over there though, can you?
There you go.
Our policy on Body One Video is all about, for us, it's certain situations.
Well, I think personally you should have it. I think you should have it on all the time.
We do normally put them on.
You know, in the morning you should have it on. When you start your shift, I think you should have it on.
The batteries don't last long enough there, or the memory, you see.
Mate, listen, my battery lasts a long time, yeah?
Yeah, but
and my memory lasts a long time and all.
Yours is a GoPro. I know how long GoPros last. I've got one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Which one you got?
That one, the black edition.
You got the 13, yeah?
I'm not an expert on using it, but...
No.
So no, for Body One Video, our policy is we use them at certain instances of mandatory, and then after that it's off to discretion. So on this occasion we've also had to activate a Body One Video. Because it then covers all of us in case somebody says or does something, and he can turn around and say, oh no,
but it's all there as well, isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
Said, then we're all covered, aren't we? Yeah. You see?
It's like when you said, I said I was a journalist, and I said I'm a British citizen journalist.
Yes.
I'm a citizen journalist. You don't need to have journalist card to be citizen journalist.
I didn't say you did. I asked you if you had if you remember the press association. That's what I asked you.
You know, and just.
So you're here to film an asylum seeker hotel?
Do you know what? I'm going to tell you the same thing as what I told you over there.
Okay.
And I'm not going to change my stance.
Okay.
It's none of your business.
Okay. No problem.
All right.
Okay.
If you would have come over to me decently and respectfully, then I would have told you. I would have given you my YouTube name. I've got nothing to hide. Do you know what I mean? I've got no. You know, I'm known to the police for doing this. You know, so it's not a problem.
You've already said you've got a civil claim with Derbyshire Police. So
I've got one with the Met, one with Thames Valley, one with Derbyshire.
Have you drove up there today? Is that your accent? Is or am I just guessing because of
What's
your
that,
accent?
buddy?
I said, have you drove up here from there today, guessing at your accent?
From where?
From down south, where your accent's from.
Maybe.
Or am I just guessing?
Maybe I've got a hotel and I'm staying in the area and I'm going to visit every hotel in the area.
That's fine.
Maybe.
Have you got your car park safely down the road? Just make sure.
No. I've got a bus here.
Okay.
Didn't want to leave. Didn't want to like bring my car because these ones here they like to follow you, take your registration number and stuff, and make allegations. Do you know what I mean?
Sure about that.
Well, they do. I've got proof of it, guys. Yeah. Do you know how many times? Yeah. Like, do you know how many times I encounter police?
Quite a lot if they do this for a living.
Exactly. I don't actually really do it for a living, though. Really, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
I don't really do it for the money. I do it to show the people what's going on. The people have a right, you know, to see what is going on, to see what our public money is being spent on.
That's journalism, isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
And all we're here for is to make sure there's no breach of the peace.
There wasn't a breach of the peace. There hasn't been a breach of the peace.
No, I didn't say there was. I said
ask this man.
We've spoken to him already.
Yeah, there's been no breach of the peace, has there, on my behalf. I've not been violent. I've not been aggressive. I've not been swearing. I've not been shouting. Nothing, have I? Yeah. There you go.
So as I said,
so there was no breach of the peace.
So as I said, I didn't say there was. I said we're here to make sure there is.
So you're trying to escalate a breach of the peace because when I tell you I'm walking over there and you're going to stop me, it's you that's creating the breach of the peace.
I am going to stop you.
Yeah. Because you are then creating the breach of the peace, not me.
That's fine.
Do you know what I mean?
Perhaps the powers above
because he's openly just confirmed on camera. Let me just got him on camera, openly just confirming. Yeah, I've not shouted. I've not sworn. I've not been aggressive. Yeah, I've not done anything to nobody.
No, well, apparently you have been in the building, which you say you have done.
Yes, I'm legally allowed to.
Yeah, and then they've asked you to leave. You've been into one of the bedrooms, I believe?
No, I haven't.
Well, but apparently you have.
Buddy, I haven't been into one of the bedrooms.
And then you didn't leave, when they've asked you to leave, you didn't leave initially. You have eventually, after they've asked you several times.
Sir, I did say tell the truth, yeah?
Is what I've been told.
I haven't been into no bedrooms, come on, yeah?
Well, so you can see there's obviously different stories.
So he's telling lies then?
Well, I don't.
So they've lied to you then? That's a false allegation.
That's just the information
If they've turned around and told you that I've been in the people's bedrooms, yeah, that's a false allegation.
That you've been into one bedroom that was open.
Okay, I've been into one bedroom. If they say I've entered into a bedroom, yeah, which I haven't, Well, and this will prove that I haven't. Yeah, they've made a false allegation. If they've made that false allegation, that's an arrestable offence.
Right. Well, as I say, we get told two sides of the story, so that's why I've gone to ask what they're telling me. You're saying a slightly different thing, but there's an issue.
Buddy, can you clear this up with him? Yeah. Yeah. Clear this up, bro. Yeah, please. Yeah.
So how many times did they ask you to leave the building?
So, I was inside the reception bit.
Yeah.
He says to me, look, you can't be here. Yeah. I'll talk to you. Yeah. The way he's coming across, buddy, come on. Yeah.
I think it might be maybe a slight clash of personalities. We've not come here to have a go, and we've come to just find out what you're up to, what's the plan.
Mate, and if you ever come to me, you cannot stop me from going onto private property. You can't. You know, and if you do, you're in trouble, Giz. Right. Do you know what I mean? You can't just come up and start saying, right, we have rights here. Yeah, I have rights. Yeah. You know, the law has to protect me as well.
Obviously, that they don't want you inside the building, and they've obviously asked you to leave. And
I'm outside. Okay. And I'm outside.
Are you aware of any planned protest at this venue coming up or anything like that?
Listen,
are you planning to attend that?
If you
because as you can imagine, we're all about safeguarding people, aren't we? No matter where they're from.
Mate, come on, buddy. Don't talk like this.
Yeah,
don't talk like this.
It's our job, isn't it?
Yeah, but you're talking about safeguarding people. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah, but you've just... Look, you're here to safeguard people.
We come to incidents, don't we, every day.
Listen.
We have to look at each incident. I'm not going to go into the whole world.
But look, you are here protecting asylum seekers. But when people's houses are burgled and their cars are stolen...
Well, we do that as well.
No, you don't. You don't do nothing. Go and have a look at your figures. Go and have a look at your statistics. Yeah. Just have a little look.
For Derbyshire or for the UK's police?
For Derbyshire. Yeah. And have a look. Yeah. Now, him acting in that way, that's not unbiased. Yeah. Because him threatening to stop me, making threats like that, it's wrong. Do you know what I mean? You shouldn't be able to do like that.
What's your plan now?
I was going. The only reason I come back, I was talking to the residents in the corner. Yeah, I was having a little chat, having a little chinwag.
Did some of them want to have a chat with you?
Yeah, I was talking to the residents. I turn the camera off when I'm talking to them because I don't want to get them into no trouble. Do you know what I mean? So I was talking to the people in the houses. Yeah, not these residents. I keep the camera rolling for that because I have to. Because if they make an allegation, I need to have proof. Do you know what I mean? So anyway, I go and I also record as well. I've got a hidden camera as well, Right. So I've got two cameras.
So anyway, you're speaking to local residents about their thoughts and views?
About their thoughts and the views of the hotel, etc., etc. And then, so that was it. And then I was just about to go, and I see the security guard pointing to me with the PCSO, but I didn't know that he was a PCSO. Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, I just thought he was a police officer. So I come walking down towards him, just to say to him, look, don't want you to be looking for me, wasting your time. Do you know what I mean? I haven't done nothing wrong, I've got nothing to hide. Yeah, I know where I'm at legally. Yeah. And then when I realised he was a PCSO and he started asking me for my details, I was like, mate, I'm not going to give the PCSO my details. You know, like, unless you show me your designation card, and it shows me the powers that you've got, because you might not have no powers you might not even have that authority from the chief. Do you know what I mean? Exactly. Do you know what I mean? So I wanted to double check. He said, I don't have a designation card. And I said, okay, I'm not going to talk to you, I'm going to go.
Yeah, we don't have them in Derbyshire.
But it's actually a requirement, isn't it?
I don't know, have a warrant card, but they don't really have his powers on them.
No.
So I know as much about it as next to no idea if you're supposed to have a designation card or not.
Well, I've just explaining to your colleague, I've had many false allegations made against myself at these places. This is why I record everything.
That's why we record, as you know, we record because it covers everything, doesn't it?
And I know where I'm at legally doing this. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything and film myself doing it illegal. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? Because on a C1 licence, I can't even enter the room. If I do enter the room, it's a dwelling burglary.
I mean, they're still saying that you did. The girl said that you followed her into the room.
I never followed her into the room. Yeah, that's not the truth.
We know where you fucking go now, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Well, you said you were going as well.
Yeah,
so we'll go.
But, buddy, you can't stop me. Yeah, if I want to walk on there, you can't stop me. Do you know what I mean?
I disagree. I think I can. Well, I know I can.
You can't?
Well, I'm not going to argue with you. We're going, but I know I can. Yeah? Right, nice to meet you.
See you later, See you later. I'm coming. I'll follow you to your car. I want to check your car. Are your tyres done? You got a 20p?
Yeah.
Have you got a 20 pence piece?
Yes.
Can I borrow it quickly, just to check the tyres?
No.
Tell you what, I'll be mortified if they're not right, because the vehicle check was done yesterday.
But did you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did we just watch? A real-time legal chess match with moments of empathy, defiance, and control. The investigator knew his laws, but not his limits. The officers held their ground without escalation, a win for calm professionalism. And the migrants, they reminded us that every confrontation has real human lives behind it. This footage isn't just about property rights, it's about power, perception, and how both sides define public. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns. Until next time, stay alert, stay respectful, and always know your rights.